Hey Kenny, we have this project for you. So you can see there are uh, around one, two, three, four, five course script you have to write. So we have different strategies on this. So you can see we have blockchain, cryptocurrency, metaverse, NFTs, Web3. So you have worked on some of our courses, script writing, and I hope and you have a better idea on those topics. So let me share what's the idea with this. Uh, so here you can see blockchain, crypto, metaverse, NFTs, and here is Web3. Okay, so the thing is, the first idea is first course, blockchain basics. So let me share the idea with you. So here it is. The first course is course script blockchain basics. So this is the course script and this is outline. We will have two modules for the for each of the courses that we are talking about. Okay, so let's say for blockchain we have set some outlines, and from this you will have some better idea on how to develop the things. Okay, so so you can see here we have outline ready, and the first thing is the title of the course. It should be titled. Okay, you can see title, and when you come to the outline, it is heading. When you come to module 1, it is heading 2. Okay, and when you come to points on that specific module, it should be heading 3. Okay, so uh, this way it should structure. Okay, uh, and you can see we will have module 2, module 1, two modules. So module 1, module 2. Here it is module 2. I have a structure it for you so that you have a better view of what we want. Okay, so the first thing is what you will set out is two modules. So what will be the modules? You can set in your way so that you can structure it or it your own way, but there will be two modules. So for that, this course blockchain basics, their first module we have put like understanding blockchain. Okay, so the first point what we will be talking about is blockchain starter. Okay, so in the blockchain starter, we'll be talking about what exactly is blockchain, how does blockchain technology work, what is a Genesis block. So this is the point, blockchain starter, and you see so blockchain pros and cons. So advantage, disadvantages. Okay, and you can see understanding centralization and decentralization. So what we set out here is like uh, so those are the talking points. So what you have to do is you don't need to write a complete what you need to do, you don't need to write a complete, let's say, complete sentence. Okay, so for each module we are expecting you to write, for each module we are expecting you to write let's say 300 words. Okay, so 300 words. Okay, and for this module you will be writing 300 words as well. Okay, so each of the each of the course structure structure it in a way that so that it covers uh, so in module 1 it's 300 words, it's in module 2 it's 300 words, so in total 600 words. Okay, uh, 600 words. Okay, 600 words for two modules. I hope you have a better idea on this. Okay, so the thing is you can see those are the key talking points the presenter will be talking about. We don't need a complete sentence. Blockchain is this a complete sentence, you understand. We want the key talking points so that the presenter have this and he will elaborate this in his or her own way. So you don't need to write a complete sentence, complete paragraph. I mean, it's not needed. It's just what you need to do is key talking points. So here you can see what exactly is blockchain. For this, we we set out some key talking points here. Try to write maximum two. Okay, though we write three here, try to write maximum two. But if you think that it should go 3 points, you can write 3 points. But we would like to, we would like you to write only um, I mean, two key talking points of that a specific idea. So, what is blockchain? So stores information in distributed database or ledger. So, uh, so for this, when the presenter see that this script is written like that, stores information in distributed database or ledger. So you will the presenter will elaborate this idea. Okay, so then he comes to this idea. So this idea is maintain a secure and decentralized record of transactions. So he will elaborate on this topic. So what you can do is like uh, write out in this way. So I hope you have a better view, and so you can see A, B, C. Okay, so for this point, okay, this point is covering like what exactly is blockchain, how does blockchain technology work, what is a genesis block, and for each of the topic, the key topping points we are setting out. uh, and for this, how does blockchain technology work? So here are cryptographic keys, immutable ledgers, stores transaction data in blocks linked together to form a chain. So from those ideas, the presenter will elaborate the idea. The presenter have a better view or better idea on the topics, so he wants just the key points on the specific topics. Okay, so and you can see in C, you can see what is a genesis block. So we set out like first block of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, and Genesis block, the first 50 BTC. Okay, so the presenter will elaborate this idea. So I hope you have a better view on this. Let me know if you have any questions. Uh, so you will develop those ideas in the earlier way. Okay, so I have given some examples, and by researching you will set out some key talking points and write it down here. Suppose for blockchain pros and cons. So what is pros of blockchain? So what you can do is suppose uh, suppose let's say this one. Okay. uh, so what you can do is pros of blockchain. So we will be actually backspace and then a dash, and it will go like that. Okay, so immutable ledgers. So uh, so this will go like that. Okay, when you I mean so so when you on keyboard click backspace and set a dash in front of this, and it will go like that. So suppose pros of blockchain. So those are the key talking points for this specific idea or topic. And for cons of blockchain, what you can do is, from this point, uh, you can work. Uh, if you want to set this, I mean from this point, uh, just write it like that and click enter and click backspace and click dash, and it will set like that. Again click backspace. So those are the key talking points. So I am just showing it to you, but it should not those are the key talking points, right? So so you have a better view now, I hope. Uh, okay. So yeah, so blockchain pros and cons, and then you will develop those idea. What is a centralized database? You will talk about. I mean, you see, you will talk about the key talking points here. Okay. uh, for those topics, and then comes blockchain consensus mechanism. So this way it should go. So we are done with module one, and then you should come to module two and apply this as given. As we talk about how to do that. Okay, I hope you have a better idea, and if you have any questions I can answer. Please always ask questions. Don't just write it in your own way. It should be in our way. Okay, so this is the idea. And then so we have, as we list out, there are five courses. We were talking about blockchain, and here is cryptocurrency. So you need to develop the outline through researching. Should be two module. You should cover this within two modules, uh, and it should cover 600 words for two modules. Okay, so 600 word for two modules. Okay, I hope you understand what to do now. Okay, so 600 word for two modules. It should be done within two modules, so that we are I mean uh, you you covered those within two modules and 600 words. So you set out the key talking points and ideas, of course, like this. Okay, so it should work in this way. So a topic might have so this is heading 2, and so this is the main idea. A main idea might have made some topics, and for those some topics you should have some keep talking points, so that the presenter can talk about this specific topic, and those are the this way it should the key talking point should flow like that. Okay, and this is the way it should go. So for this cryptocurrency basics, metaverse, NFTs, Web3, you will be building out the outline, and the outline should be within two modules, and within modules you will cover the key topics, and on those key topics you will cover the key talking points, and it should you should cover the key talking points a maximum of two. But if you think that uh, 3 points are necessary, you can go and put it out in there. And the other thing is, for each of the from where are you getting the information? You should put it like, so this is the information I am getting from what exactly is blockchain. So so those key talking points you might get it easily, from uh, a blog post or writing. So what you can do is, you can put like one here, you can put like two here. Okay, so it should be like that. uh, so this is one. Okay, so when it comes to one, uh, you instantly put the information here, this not this one actually, but this one. Okay, so this is one. Okay, this can be two. Okay, so what is one and two? So for one, suppose this is the information you are getting, suppose www.google.com. Okay, so you can list it out like, points in there. Okay, so what you can do is, you can put some uh, resources. Okay, number one is from, suppose, so when you go number one, you mean that www www.google.com. Okay, so suppose this information you got from google.com. I was talking about referencing those. So when we go to that specific page, we can clarify that you are talking about this point from this website, and we will clarify that whether it is right or wrong, or whether it is the uh, right way to go, or whether you are writing it in the right way. I hope you understand that. So suppose for two, let's say, uh, for two, let's say, uh, www.upwork.com. Suppose you are getting from you are getting the number two from upwork.com. So this is module one, and module two might have same styles of writing. So you can put it out here. So uh, uh, yeah, uh, you might have a, good understanding by now what we are expecting. I hope you are understand. I hope you understand that, uh, and yeah, that's it. That's the idea of the project. So